Siyabulisa igama likaYesu, igama lenkazolo efana ingcvaza, i-host ye-Growth Portal Network. Namhlanje kanti yamlodwa bethinywe nakaThixo, one of the best gospel artists esinazo e-Cape Town. Welcome, man of God. Can you please greet abantu bamphakathi?
Thank you very much. I would like to greet your viewers. You are greeted, guys, in the wonderful name of Jesus. Amen.
Hallelujah. Sebam, masingene kulo statement.
Sure.
Ngibona ke ulapha estand.
Yeah.
Uthetha isiXhosa.
Yes, sure.
Ukuthi uyayikhonda nsukavuyo.
Yes, definitely.
Mhlambe take us back bangamhlambi uzalelwe.
I'm from KZN.
Okay.
Yeah, ngwase KZN endaweni yasePortshepstone. Yeah, so ngilanga ngazalelwa khona. I was born there. Yes, and then yeah.
Okay, so I believe inkulu ke ngole ndawo ofika ngayo. Ngiyibona igama layo.
Portshepstone.
Yes, Portshepstone.
Yeah.
Inkulu. Mhlambi ndawo
Okay.
kahle.
Okay. Yeah, so Portshepstone endaweni yaseMagate. And then I know ukuthi khona indawo ekuthiwa yilali, and then but mina it's not too much ilali.
Okay.
But yabona ingathi village. But right, yes, so endaweni ekuthiwa Kanzimakwe, yes.
Wafunda kanzimakwe mhlambi like noma school of Fundo.
Yes, ngifunde Kanzimakwe, ngifunde ngiqale amazinga aphansi. It's primary, Itongas Primary School, and then I went to high school, Inombuso High School.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you came to Cape Town. In Cape Town.
Yes. I've been here in Cape Town because I came Cape Town. I was coming to do my study at Cape Town in 2020. I came for studying, and then 2021. I go back home KZN, then I come back 2022.
Oh,
yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mhlambe umuntu ongakwaziyo phaya because ngiyakwazi na as umusa. Mhlambe umusa nickname asikho sure, uyabona? Nickname.
Yes.
So, uyabona? But ngikwazi as one of the best gospel artists.
Okay.
Khona eCape Town. Mhlambe ke ube sozanisa ukuthi bayigama lakho.
Okay.
Then uthi bangawuhlambi umculo lona yini nawo.
Sure. So yes, Musa, it's my ID name. Yeah, Msawenkosi Ndlela. Yeah, that's my name. So I accepted Christ when I was young, and then I grew up in the church. By that time, I was not singing. Okay. See, I was just went to church, and I was preaching. So yes, I was preaching, and I remember one day at church, there are boys, they want to play keyboard. Okay. So everyone ufuna ukudlala keyboard esontweni, sibaningi samachicha esontweni sifuna ukudlala keyboard. Yes, nami ngifuna ukudlala keyboard, but ngathi mangibheka sibaningi kakhulu. So i-chance ngesi i-one keyboard esontweni ngaso sikhathi. Then I decided, no, let me just stop for keyboard. Angigijimela i-mic nje kuphela.
Wow.
Yeah, ngavele ngathi hayi mina ngizovele ngibe umshumayeli. Then ngaqala esontweni ngashumayela, yabona nje. Yes, but umculo I think lento yami yoculo iqale after matric. After matric, ila I realized that no man, I have this gift of singing, understand? But I didn't take it serious. But kuyinto nje ngithi just singing because kwindawo ngihlala kuyona ngicula istathamia, and then kusine choir futhi yaselokishini. So I was active entweni eziningi kakhulu, dancing, music, and yeah. Yes.
I think must mention mhlambe like the names of ezinto obukuzo mhlambe igama leqhathami because of the fire I know enough qhathami and also igama lekhululeyo.
Okay.
Wesithathu last year mhlambe igama lecawe lena.
Okay.
The gift of music.
Okay. So yes, igama lecawe engisuka kulona back home, it's EGKR, God Kingdom Restoration. So it's where I accepted Christ. Yeah, EGKR and umfundisi Mamfengu. Yes. Then I have to move after matric. I went to Durban. Then I attend other church in Durban, which is a Trinity Church. So andomfundisi uNzimande. Yes. Then emakhaya lamagroup engangicula kubona we it's just that because it was long time ago. Ngangakhumbula amagama mani because that was long time ago. But engikwaziyo kahle ukuthi nje yes isicathamela ngisiculile yabo ngafuthi nasekhwaya ngangikhona. I remember ikhwaya engangicula kuyona zasine competition. So and then sajoyina le competition more than 120 choirs ayekhona pha but sawina saphuma number 3. Gankhona, yes. But I was just behind, you see.
Wow.
Yes, I was not even leading the song. Yeah, but
Yeah. So somebody between Durban and also Cape Town. Mhlambi ungathi yeyiphi le ndawo incedisene na in terms of ukuvelisa lo wakho bengaziwa.
yes, I like that question. So I think man, Cape Town. I pick up for Cape Town. So yes, KZN, people they like to say KZN, the people they can sing.
Yes.
Yeah, we know a lot of people they coming from KZN. Yeah, but me at KZN, I was just a worshiper.
Yeah.
But when I came here, Cape Town, I started to visit churches.
Yes.
So and then people they started to call me an artist. And I didn't realize that I'm an artist. So it was hard for me to accept that I'm an artist because I told myself that I'm a worship. I'm just worship. Until this thing, I just take it seriously. I say, okay, yeah, I'm an artist.
Wow.
Yeah, but Cape Town, iyona yenze ukuthi ngiyibone le gifting ngempela ukuthi nginayo ukucula. It's just that because I was not exposed. Okay, see? So I was not exposed. I was just singing at church. Yeah, I think few churches that I was attending go to sing them, but Cape Town, yeah. So iyona yenza ukuthi ngize ngaziwe Cape Town. So in Cape Town, I think iyona exposure kakhulu. Even KZN now, other people they respecting me because bangibone like Cape Town.
Wow.
Abanye ade bengazi hayi umusa wona besikula nawe ungaculi and then manje iqhamukapi lento yabo. I remember one day ngangiye kwilokhuzana kwisikole sami esangifunda kusona high school. So bakune prayer khona and then one of the uthisha wakhona wangi-WhatsApp wathi wayibona ngifakile i-status ukuthi ngikhona emakhaya and then wathi hayibo Musa ngiyabona ukuthi khona emakhaya azi kune prayer la esikoleni please siyacela ufike uzosibusisa nje ngomculo oyi-1. And then I went there and ngifuna ukuthetha othisha ade bengifundisa bamangala bathi hawu njena bese ngakwazi na usucula kanje. So i-KZN abantu KZN bebengazi ngomusa but bangibone nge-Cape Town. Yes.
Wow. I remember naniphostile isedimana and your video trended. Never all over the place.
Yes.
So many views. Yashoko yangapha nangapha. Yathi yafika nalo.
Yes.
Like into Manisa no Ayanda dance. Abantu abaningi babebona
Sure.
mhlawumbe nawe ngabe uyazibona kuntanzi okanye ichili yakho yakho. I remember
Sure. Yes, I remember. Wow.
Wena nje untanzi ichili yakho ntanzi.
Hey, I don't know, man. I don't know. But you see, in gospel, okay, the music industry,
Yeah.
okay, especially gospel.
Yes.
So I grew up ngibona uLotata Thusifiso Ncwane. You see, ngibona uLotata Thusifiso Ncwane. I think first time ngimbona Lotata ngasekhaya kwakhona irally. Ayibona lethu amarally.
Yes.
So kube khona ama artists ke. And then waperform uSifiso Ncwane.
Wow.
And then ukuperforma kwakhe kwenza ukuthi nkosami ngangokosindiswa even that but ngathi eyilotata man. Ngasondele ngasuka from back ngiye stage. Ngama nje thuzuka stage ngijust ngibukela nje. So ngabusa ngalendlela ngathi ewe I told myself okay one day I want to be like this guy.
Yeah.
And then I went back home, and then mangifika ekhaya anomunye umngane enginaye ngathola mangifika endlini yakhe kune-CD elibhalwe uSifiso Ncwane. Ngathi mina akunalo uSifiso Ncwane kade ngimbone ecula lapha. Ngathi manje makanginikele le CD, wanginika lona hamba ngolilalela. And then from there nila ngaqala khona umculo ukuthanda kakhulu. Then uSifiso Ncwane ke kwahamba hamba, and then he passed away. And then boo sabona uAyanda. So when ngibona uAyanda, I said, hey man, this young guy uyangibusisa kakhulu.
Wow.
So if ngase ngihambe enyathelweni zakhe, now I can do that.
Wow.
So yeah, from then ngabusiseka kakhulu mangibona indlela enza ngayo, and I like that guy.
Wow.
I like
And
it.
you have fun with that.
It's serious.
Like,
See, yeah,
on stage,
everything.
nguye the stage.
Sure.
Mhlambi le nto indisele question ba. How do you deal with negative comments in sound? Because abanye abantu abazoyibona ukuthi are positive.
Okay.
But abantu no, they copycat.
Okay.
I mean, inspired by yourself.
Okay.
So mhlambi ungaphela uthini into ndaba.
Yeah, I know, man. I've been hearing a lot of comments, man, about, yes. I know people that tell you like Ayanda dance, and then also you are copying him. See, and I discourage you. Unaloki iyangikhuthaza ukuthi man, yeah, because yes, yes. So, and I can't say I'm copying him because ayikho indlela engicula ngayona le. Ayikho futhi enye indlela. I can say ngibukela kuyena. See, because wonke umuntu mekhula sikhula kunabantu abangaphambili kwethu esibukela kubona. And uma izinto ezinhle abazenzayo nathi sifisa one day I want to be like this man. So definitely, and it's true, uAyanda Ntanzi ngiyabukela kuyena, and I'm proud for that.
Wow.
Yes.
You see, when I bukele perform setting that out performance like, my wish was like, man, I so wish me, but can't be the angel. This was an time. Everywhere. Because I know about Tula as you.
Yes.
What the voice.
Yes. Yes.
When it comes to singing, would bring them weird. Like everything when we are like I born and also with time given them like
yes, man. Yeah.
Like I said, Cape Town, like I'm born, but hey, going weird. Like that you wear like.
You see, director. Yabona, that was a great opportunity to me and exposure. I can say that because today ngila ngikhona because of so without I can say without that opportunity ngabe abantu abangazi ngalendlela okanye even yena uAyanda Ntanzi abakayitholanga yabo. Yes, wayibona, and then he commented on the video. So like, man, kumina it was like a breakthrough.
Wow.
See, because that was a great platform for me, and I thank God ukuthi even that video nje liyareacha ngayo yahamba indawo eningi kakhulu. Yeah.
Mhlawumbi in terms of ukusebenza mhlawumbi like usebenza naye.
I saw it. Yafisa kakhulu. And futhi I believe ukuthi one day soba ndawonye futhi naye, and it's gonna be very nice. Ngeke ngenzeki. Yeah, we believe uNkulunkulu is able to do izinto like uyakwazi uNkulunkulu even amaphupho ethu kwafezekisa because sikhula sesinamaphupho, and I believe one day I will share a stage with you and dance.
Mhlambi ngoba ne artist komba ngaba yakukhuthaza mawuqhubeka.
Okay. So yeah, obviously qala uAyanda, yes, and then Dumi Mkostet. Yeah, yes, yeah, man, yeah, it's a big guy. So ngiyabukela nakubona because what I like about it to me, it's because wacula esemntwana ngisemncane. Yeah, lento ukhule nayo. So ngiyabukela kuyena kakhulu and I respect him ngale ndlela emangalisayo. Yes, no, Ayanda. And who else? Yeah, man, Jumbo. Yeah, he's very good. He's very good on the stage. Yeah, that guy. Yeah, he's very good. And also Nyabuga Nagiena. I think, yeah. And then, yeah.
Okay. Let's say next week you are planning to host an event.
Okay.
Then on the spot. Let's say next week you are planning to host an event. Five from Cape Town.
Okay.
Ne?
Okay.
Males or females.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Then 5 from other provinces.
Okay.
What was that?
Okay. You talking about the big artists? Oh.
No.
Okay. I'm sorry to say that. But okay. 5 Cape Town. I will take Ubaba or Vincent Mbonis. Yes. I will take him, and also who's this guy, and Lusanda Page.
Wow.
Yes, yeah, Lusanda Page, and also ngithathe Uvuyo Nombila. Yes, Uvuyo Nombila engeke ngimshiya kakhulu. Sonke laphela amanzi Uvuyo Nombila. And who else? I will take Uta X. Utaga boy. Police. Yes. Taga boy. Yes. Yeah, try to clean. Clean. Who's this brother this night yesterday? Yes.
Lusanda Petra.
Yes. Yes. X. Yes.
Fine. Then
Yes.
other provinces fine.
Other province, I understand is in. I understand is in obvious. So, to me, yes, as well as Chumbo. And then Nomini. Yes, I touch you because I'm September. Yeah, and then last one, eh? Last one. Who else? Abaningi manje labantu KZN. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Eastern Cape. Let's just continue KZN. Yeah, I think the last one it's gonna be this guy. Lungelo Hlongwane. Yeah.
Who's your MC?
MC.
One from Cape Town. One.
Okay, we need two. Okay, we need two. Okay, Mapinzana. Okay, here in Cape Town, corner this brother, actual Ulat.
Yes, Ulat.
I like the energy of that guy.
Too much.
And even now I'm thinking of doing something, and then okay, if I'm doing something, that guy I can use that guy. Yeah. Yes, it's very good, and also yeah. I mean, I can for MC I can use here Cape Town. Yeah, Lachi, maybe there's this guy from Armanas who Witness. Yeah, 2 of them, yes.
Wow.
Because the reason why I don't know Ulachi that he can sing. He can sing. Okay, because yes, because if you choose MC, you have to make sure that you understand.
Especially in the live.
Yes.
You need somebody who can sing.
Yes, yeah. Yeah.
MC, your camera duty will be abandoned.
Yes.
Entertain the crowd.
Definitely. Sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sometimes
okay, Ian, okay. So I would like to see myself. There's this big it's big, man. It's a big group. It's Spirit of Friends. One day I would like to be there. I like to be there. So I think in few years to come, let me suggest few, okay, 2 or 1 year.
Yeah.
So I want to see myself being an artist as well, like other artists like Iron and Dance. Yes. And I believe, I'm going there. So I'm going there. It's just a matter of time, but I'm going. Yeah.
Mhlawumbe mhlawumbe sikhona ingoma esewurekhodishile okanye for now kakurekhodishi usathula nje manje.
Okay. Okay. I have ingoma, but it's just that under ilokhuzana group thizeni. So under Indomiso Etende. So engilokhuzile engirekhodile ethi uJesu nguye njalo. Yeah, then azikho kwezinye ingoma engisazirekhodile, but yeah, I'm looking forward to my recording.
Siya kulo ndawo
Okay.
from Isadingana iqonga elikhulu
Mm.
and waya kwenye iqonga elikhulu.
Yeah.
Sabona flyer ayikile ngoba
It's going good.
What those guys are doing inkulu kakhulu.
So it's big. It's big.
So mhlawumbe ungathetha nje ngayo bangaba ibhekephi and also being part of
Okay. Let me start with ilokhuzana siyadingana. I don't want to lie, director. Yabona lelathi ubonginika lona. It helps me a lot because ngize ngene ngiNdomiso Etende. I use the same videos. You saw that those videos, lama video I trend because kwakhona ilokhuzana competition choker. You just seen the clip yakho kuNdomiso Etende, and then I was struggling and thinking, which video I'm gonna send? And then I remember, man, ngenga trend. But in fear, if I put this video, it's not telling you any chaos. Because chaotic after usatingana. So I wanna ask you, if I send this video, hey, I want to put it again. This guy, man, don't put this guy. And then I just told myself, okay, let me just put this video. And then I send the video, and then the video started to trend again. And then people, they were sharing the video again, and they were talking negative things. And then I didn't even just comment from him. Yes. Yeah, sure. So yeah, yes, I can say uSiyatingana. It was a platform that took me through kwilokhuzana kwiNdomiso Etende.
Yes, usabona Isadingana masibulele umfundisi lona wa.
Okay. Yeah.
Wafuna elicanga labangaba Isadingana. Then wathi kuba wayengakhanda mhlawumbe andibambe ecaleni
ngaba ngikho la.
ngikhona kwenye
platform ngiyakhumbula even naye eqala ukungibona. I was just singing esontweni like mhle nomnye umfana udlala keyboard, ngambona wabusiseka mina eqala ukungibona, and then from then saba nobudlelwane ke. So wangithanda wathi hayi, hey, khona abantu engizokuhlanganisa nabo this then wangiplaka kwena. So that is why I'm saying, man, I'm grateful for that platform. So ngibonga kakhulu nje. Yabona angaziwa nje iCape Town yonke, and even not only here Cape Town, ngale video kuphela. Because ngesikhathi ngihlangana nabantu bathi mina akusiyona lona ogqoke kanje nanje, ngithi ngibona yena impela. So yeah, that was a great platform for me. Then ngathola ke i-opportunity ngene kwiNdomiso Etende ngawo lawo mavideo. And then I have to send I sent the first video, and then ngangena top 30. And I top 30, and I was worried. And then I send the other video footage. And then I was asking myself, which video I'm gonna send now? Because I had 2 videos, same. Yeah. Then I send another one, singing another song, and then I'm gonna top 10. And then I'm gonna top 10. I'm gonna main album. Yeah, not just bonus. Excuse me, main album. Yes, Yatingana. And I remember the people were criticizing me during that competition of Indomie. And then ngabhalela umphathi weNdomie ithi mphathi ibangithuka abantu la. Uthi bathukelana wathi mengena wabona nawe wathi hayi ungabanayo ungazidani nje. So but ngabi nankinga. So wathi ke mase senze interview naye ethi Musa, hey, I didn't know ukuthi ubutrenda kanje. Ivideo yakho isisabalele kangaka. Yabo. So ngasho nami ngathi Thamisa ngabona uTikTok kwami uthi ukhula ngendlela emangalisana. Ngale ya video nje kuphela. That was amazing. Yeah, that was amazing.
Okay, let's say kodwa nje. Esawuvala. You are doing an album.
Okay.
Who are the artists and why?
Okay, so that's obvious. That's obvious. We can change it. Yes. So I would like to work with you. Oh, Iron and Dance. Yeah, because the Bugela again. So ngajabula project yami tha abe khona naye. One 3 or 4 songs. Yabona ngicula naye ngakujabulela lokho kakhulu. As well as uDume Nkosted. Yeah, I would like to let's say record manje. I would like them to be in. Wow. Yeah.
TikTok, Facebook.
Yes, so yeah, Facebook Musa Mark. Yes, Musa Mark Facebook, and then TikTok it's Musa Mark Music.
Wow.
Yeah, so young Chola Konelapa. Yes, I only use Facebook and TikTok. Wow. And then yeah, so la manye malokuzana again this for some reason, but yes, soon I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, so if komntu ongifunayo ngiyatholakala enambeni 0735503675. Yes. Hey. Oh dade. So but yeah. Depending ukuthi umuntu ukhuluma ngantoni. But if efuna about music, I can respond.
So that's it. I mind yabukeka.
Thank you very much, my sister. Ngiyabukeka vese ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngiyabukeka. Going out for what? They'll get to know me. It's fine. I can go out.
Is it?
Yes. Just for the matter of knowing me, okay. It's fine. No comment. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.